Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a shortcut that you made on Instagram. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically, what is a shortcut? A shortcut is basically once you take a snap on Snapchat, okay, and then you click on next, instead of you choosing every single person, so you can send to the Snapchat, the snap that you just took. You're basically going to go on your shortcut and then you're going to click on select all. And you're going to select all the people you added to the shortcut and then send the snap. Now, basically how you can delete the shortcut that you made, is there are basically, there are a lot of different ways, but I'm going to show you the easiest one. Basically you're going to go on to chats and you're going to pick whatever shortcut you actually made. Let's say this one. Okay, now if you go over here, now you can actually delete it, but if you click on the plus icon, all your shortcuts are going to appear over here. And once you click on it, you're going to click once you click on the shortcut, you're going to click on the three dots and then delete shortcut, then delete. And as you can see, I deleted the shortcut. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.